Hello friends, I am Professor Vagamadi Biyar working as assistant professor in agronomy department. Today we can discuss the practical on identification of fertilizers and pesticides. We can see the first one, straight fertilizers, that is fertilizer which can supply the only one major plant nutrient, that is called as straight fertilizer, that is inorganic or chemical fertilizer. That is first one, urea, that is name of fertilizer. Then the group of this fertilizer, that is inorganic fertilizer, and then source of fertilizer, that is nitrogen, and percentage of the nutrient content in this urea, that is 46% nitrogen. And then second one, second state fertilizer, that is the neem coated urea. This is also group in the inorganic fertilizer, and the source of fertilizer, that is nitrogen. Percentage of nutrient content also the 46%. This neem coated urea is mainly used as a slow release nitrogen fertilizer, that is to avoid the losses of nitrogen, because urea or nitrogen is highly mobile element, hence it is to be develop the neem coated urea. And next one, the single super phosphate. This is also the ideal fertilizer that is coming under straight fertilizer, that is source of phosphorus, and they mostly group under the inorganic fertilizer, and the percent of nutrient content, that is 16% phosphorus. And the next one, that is double super phosphate. This is also the inorganic fertilizer, and the source of fertilizer, that is phosphorus. Percentage of nutrient content in the double super phosphate, that is 32% phosphorus. And third one, that is triple superphosphate, that is this is also the inorganic fertilizer, and then coming under straight fertilizer, and the source of fertilizer, that is phosphorus. Percent nutrient content in triple superphosphate, that is 48%. Next one, that is muriate of potash. This is also the coming under straight fertilizer, and the group of fertilizer, that is inorganic fertilizer. Then source of fertilizer, that is in potassium, and percentage of nutrient in the that is muriate of potash, there is 60% potassium, that is potassium. This is a potassium fertilizer. Next one, potassium sulfate. Group of fertilizer, that is the inorganic fertilizer. Source of fertilizer, that is potassium, and the percentage of nutrient in the sulfate of potash or the potassium sulfate, that is 50% potassium. And next one, the calcium ammonium nitrate. This is a can. This is also the inorganic fertilizer, and the source of the nitrogen. Percentage of the nutrient content, that is 25% nitrogen. Then ammonium sulfate. This is the inorganic fertilizer, that is a source of fertilizer, that is nitrogen. Percentage of nutrient content, that is 20% nitrogen. Then rock phosphate. This is inorganic fertilizer, that is a source of phosphorus, that is phosphorus. Percentage of nutrient content, that is 18% phosphorus. Then DAP, that is diammonium phosphate. This is also inorganic fertilizer, that is source of fertilizer, that is nitrogen as well as phosphorus, and percentage of nutrient content, that is 18% nitrogen and 46% phosphorus. Then ammonium phosphate sulfate. This is also inorganic fertilizer. Major source of this fertilizer, that is nitrogen, sulfur, potassium, and the sulfur, and the percentage of the nutrient content, that is 20% nitrogen, 20% phosphorus, 0% potassium, and 13% sulfur. And the next one, NP complex. This is inorganic. This is a complex fertilizer coming, and the source of the nutrient, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, and the percentage of nutrient content, that is 20% nitrogen and 20% phosphorus. The next NP complex fertilizer, that is nitrophosphate. This is also inorganic fertilizer, that is a source of fertilizer, that is nitrogen and phosphorus, and the percent nutrient content, that is 24% nitrogen, 24% phosphorus, and 0% potassium. And next, NPK complex fertilizer, that is NPK 10 20 26. 10 26 26, this is a graded fertilizer, especially this is also coming under inorganic, and the source of fertilizer, that is in nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Percentage of nutrient content, that is 10% nitrogen, then 26% phosphorus, and the 26% potassium. And next, NPK complex fertilizer, that is NPK 19 19 19. This is a graded 19 19 19, that is NPK. Source of fertilizer, and the percentage of nutrient, that is 19% nitrogen, 19% phosphorus, and 19% potassium. Next one, that is NPK. This is also graded, that is 17 17 17. It provides also source of fertilizer, that is NP and K. that is 17% N, 17% phosphorus, 17% potassium. Next NPK complex fertilizer, that is NPK 15-15-15. This is also graded fertilizer. There is a supplies or source, and is NPK, and the percentage of nutrient content, there is 15% nitrogen, 15% phosphorus, and 15% potassium. Then manganese sulfate, this is a micronutrient, also coming under inorganic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer. The source of fertilizer, that is manganese and sulfur. It contains the 31.5% manganese and the 18.5% sulfur. Then zinc sulfate, this is a major also the micronutrient inorganic fertilizer. The source of fertilizer, that is zinc as well as sulfur, and the percent nutrient content, that is 22% zinc and 11% sulfur. Then copper sulfate, this is also my micronutrient, that is coming under the inorganic fertilizer, that is source of fertilizer, that is copper and sulfur, and the percentage of nutrient, that is 25% copper and the 13% sulfur. Then copper farmyard manure, this is organic fertilizers, that is first one farmyard manure, that is FOM. Group of fertilizer, that is organic fertilizer. Percentage of nutrient, that is 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% phosphorus, 0.5% potassium. And next one, that is the vermicompost. This is also organic fertilizer, that is group under the organic fertilizer, and the percentage of nutrient content, is 2.5 to 3% nitrogen, 1.8 to 2.9% phosphorus, 1.4 to 2% potassium. Next one, the poultry manure. In poultry manure, this is also the most popular organic fertilizer. It contains the nutrient, that is 3.03% nitrogen, 2.16% phosphorus, and the 1.4% potassium. Next one, that is the sheep manure. This is also a very popular organic fertilizer. It contains 0.7% nitrogen, 0.3% phosphorus, 0.9% potassium. Next one, these are the all chemical, organic and inorganic fertilizers, and we can see the next group, that is pesticides. The most popular pesticide, that is carbaryl. This is the carbaryl, and next one, that is the carbofuran. This is a black color carbofuran, and then next one, the malathion. This is details practical regarding the identification of the fertilizers and the pesticides. Thank you.